What's up everybody, Lezima Designs here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna make my pantry cabinet space because this unit does not have really a pantry space, so I have an extra closet that I can transform into my pantry. So I'm gonna make it work and let's see it. I got these kitchen pantry labels from Container Store. I believe this is $7 plus cents something, and it is 90 pack. So here is my little pantry that I just fit in the closet because I don't have actually a pantry cabinet on this condo, so I had to make it work. And I put the shelves in the closet, and you can see the rods over there. So I didn't take it out, I just left it there. And then, so here it is. I put baskets on top because I don't really know what to put in there, so there's more stuff inside those baskets. And so I just put these Ziploc bags in here because it's a small space. And then here is some bins, miscellaneous stuff that I actually have right now, so I put that as some miscellaneous, some bars, and this is the everyday food that I'm eating and I'm using. So there's still a lot of space on these shelves, but right now this is what I have. So this is what my pantry looks like. And I got this container box or container food from Costco. It's cheaper than the other stores. If you buy the big ones, I think this is 9 pieces for I believe $60. I forgot already. And I got these labels from Container Store. It's $7 for 90 pieces, or if I'm not mistaken, that's 90 labels. Watching my videos, and I hope you enjoy my pantry organization. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please visit my website lezimadesignsservice.com for more. And this is Lezima transforming homes.